Hey, my name's Jenna and welcome to Locus Problems in Geometry. Now before you actually get to doing locus problems, you should probably know what they mean first. So the definition of a locus is a set of points satisfying a certain condition. Now before we get into some problems, you're going to need either a ruler or a protractor to measure out the distances. The first problem we'll be doing is describe a set of points which are 3 centimeters from point O. So the first thing you're going to want to do is draw point O, obviously, as you can see there. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is draw points that are 3 centimeters away, basically just following exactly what it said. And eventually it'll come out like this. Using the skills we learned in kindergarten, we know that that shape is a circle. So basically your answer is going to say the locus is a circle with O being the midpoint. But also there's something else we can learn from this. Since we measured out 3 centimeters, we know that the circle has a radius of 3 centimeters, and if you double it, it means that the diameter is 6 centimeters. The next problem we will do is the locus of points equidistant from 2 parallel lines. So the first thing you're going to want to do is once again draw the 2 parallel lines. I've named these lines Bob and George. Now following the problem's directions, you're going to find equidistant between Bob and George, which just happens to be 2 centimeters. You will eventually come down to this. As we all know, that makes a straight line, so your answer will be the locus is a line that is the midpoint between parallel lines Bob and George. One visual example were to be if you were running or taking a brisk stroll, which is the more realistic term, in between 2 buildings. Which means if you are equidistant between the 2 parallel buildings, your path would be a straight line, right on the midpoint between the 2 buildings. I hope this helps you during your geometric years because I always struggled with it. Bye!